In this video, I will show you how to link Square to QuickBooks. So to do this, what you want to go and do is click on bank transactions in the left right here. And this is basically the first way that you can do it, but at the moment of recording they are still working on this, but it may be available when you are watching this. But there is also a different way that I'll show you after, but this is the easiest and best way. So I recommend trying this one first. Click link account right here. Now here you just want to search for Square. And then make sure you don't click Squarespace, you do Square right here, so squareup.com. Now you'll see your Square connection is coming soon. We cannot connect you to Square just yet. So that is coming soon. If that is available for you, then I recommend doing that one, and you just need to log into your account. But if it is not available for you yet, then go to apps here and then click find apps. And then here you can simply search for Square, and then you want to get this one, pay tracker with a Q. And this one integrates with a bunch of apps, and one of which is Square, which you can see right here. And basically what it will do is it will help you sync your payments from, in this case, Square to your QuickBooks account. So simply click on Get App Now, and then here going to click on Connect. Now here choose how you found it. I'll just say QuickBooks App Store and click Submit. That will take you to this page. And then for me, it just froze, but you just want to refresh the page. That will take you to the sign in page again. So if you have the same thing right here, you need to verify your Intuit email. So click on this link. That will just take you to where you need to do it. And from here, just click email a code and then add the verification code right there. And now in my email, I got this email right here that is from SAS and that says account activation. You just want to click activate right there. And that will activate your account. Now simply going to sign in. So now you need to follow these steps right here. So that means that you need to verify your email address. And then after you do that, you will be able to click on sign in with Intuit right here. And then you can actually sign in. And then you have an option to connect your Square account. However, again, this option I would only recommend trying after trying the bank transactions, clicking on link account, and here just search for Square Up. And then here click Square Up. And then if it is available, because it is coming soon, so at the time you're watching this, it may be available. So if it is available, just going to sign in right there. But otherwise, go to the App Store and get the Pay Tracker app with a Q. And then on this page, just click sign in with Intuit. And then if you have not yet verified your email address, you need to do that first. If you have already done it, you can just sign in and then connect your Square account and choose what information you would like to sync with your QuickBooks account. So now you know how to link QuickBooks to Square. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.